Hi, Jan. It's Michelle Jones with Chantel Ray Real Estate. Just wanted to give you a brief overview of how we're going to market the home. Um, we're first going to put it into a multiple listing system. Um, I know you've heard of it. It's a very powerful search engine, and it'll reach all the thousands of real estate agents we have locally. We'll also have a virtual tour of your home featured on our website, chantelray.com. We do extreme internet marketing. You're going to see all these different websites that we actually advertise on to make sure, that they're seeing all of our listings. We do featured listings on the top three, Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. Featured listings simply means that when you go use those apps, and those are very popular apps with buyers, by the way, that your house will pop up first, which is a very nice feature. We also do social media marketing, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest. You'd be surprised at how many buyers we actually get through Facebook. I always do when I do my open houses. I always do a Facebook Live post to invite people over in the area and then market it. You can see the different what happens when people start to share and like off of our chantelray.com, and I try to make sure that I get most of my other clientele to go ahead and like certain posts that I make. We do also local media outlets, radio and TV. So 90% of the homes here in our community, they're hearing about Chantel Ray and our listings and don't miss our open houses, etc. So it's really good. Our posts, signs, they go up about 7 to 10 days within the listing. We have a temporary sign in the meantime. However, we do have something called a mobile brochure that we attach to both. And what happens is when someone's passing by, they can use their smartphone to look at that 32323 and find out all the information they want about the home. The price they do need to call in for, or they do need to ask price on the app. And what happens is their information gets captured, and our inside sales department will follow up with them. So we're not missing anybody. I love our inside sales department because what happens when people see a phone number and they call, we have someone responding 7 days a week, Monday through Sunday from 8 to 9. And after 9, it's going to be answering service. So we miss no phone calls. Sometimes agents are human. Sometimes we do miss a call, but not here because the number that's on that sign is our main inside sales. We offer home warranty with all of our listings for free. You can upgrade it if you want to cover the furnace or the HVAC system. Me and Bonnie were talking about that a little bit because I think your parents' system was like 20 years old. Not the geothermal thing, but the furnace. Or you can just pass. It's up to you because we are going to market as is. So you and I have been talking about pricing, and you were right on the money, I believe. You've got the right idea. I'm going to send you comps shortly. And so what I wanted to show you is this. I've found a formula here. If we have 8 to 10 showings and we have no offers, or we go 2 weeks and there's crickets, especially in this market because houses are going very quickly. I think we have like over 6,000 listings right now, and more than half of them are under contract. They go into contract like within the week or 0 days almost. We're a little bit low in inventory, about 35% lower than we were last year, but prices are up 3%. So, of course, I spoke with Bonnie about how we're going to show the house. Where, of course, we need to empty it first, so that'll be taken care of. And we were talking about the professional stager is not going to be needed. And we don't need a concierge. And, of course, I will put a lockbox on there so we can capture all the information from who's coming and who's going. They'll be their agent. So I will put a contractor lockbox for the gentleman that's going to do the estate sale for us, though, because he doesn't have access to this. The showing notices, I don't know if you would want them to come to your phone or anything because you're in California. But it depends on Bonnie's here. If she's here, it'll go directly to her phone or email. Or if she wants me to accept them, I will. I would have no problem with that. So this is what we do to get the houses sold faster and for top dollar. I don't know if you have any more questions, but I just wanted to make sure that you just saw how we market. Chantel Ray has a fire me guarantee. She doesn't believe in long-term contracts. If you feel down the road as we go along that we're not servicing you correctly, please, you can let me know, and we'll let you right out of the contract. Unless, of course, we're under contract with a buyer, okay? So it's nice and easy, straight to the point. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon.